Hello vlog. Say hi to the vlog.
Yeah man, I don't know. Lakeside to your graveside, big up on yourself, isn't it?
See man, consumer.
Yeah.
What
Fried
is
chicken.
fried chicken?
Curry gravy. All Jamaicans know this. Modest lifestyle. Hot daddy.
Yeah, so we're go in a Kingston. Yeah, we're gonna do a delivery. I don't know what else I see another vlog here because we're all over the place. We don't really have no.
We don't do this thing for money like them.
Yeah, we just do it for fun.
It's fun.
So when we see we post, we post. When we not post, we do our own thing.
Yeah.
So it is what it is. But just the same respect to who always watch the video them, like them, comment now and then, and to everybody who subscribe, big up on yourself.
Yeah, true.
So guys, we're on the way now. I go on baby shower.
No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours.
Yo, so why am I pregnancy so rough? He can't have a two. He's very young. My baby is God. You see the way that bus and then you take the jerk. Yeah. To show you how a baby mother take up that now.
That's how we want people to get somebody else.
So when media get You're right, remember. These are moments. Pass a practice from now, you know. Okay. I mean, because in film I get a boy, you know. It's a boy, man. But it's a girl. No, man. This is a girl. Yeah, got all that. This not bad. One ply too big, yeah. That's the closest.
One fly short, this time we're shooting. No, robbery.
No, man. At the whole wheel.
No, that is not paying my brother.
No, that's too big too.
Let me see.
Two flies. Two
Tash, what kind of thing that? You change your mouth. You were sure. It's a girl. Come on, man.
Mom is just bounty girl. Dad is a boy. Let's see what we will have.
In the good, man. Solid as a rock.
Solid as a rock. It's okay. We love girls.
Let's get a close up on the crack. What's your tear there? One tear actually there, right? You feel like it's a conspiracy, don't you? Like, yeah. Why is it pink on this side? Tab, at the end of the day, it's gonna be great. Yes. Yeah. No more gelding.
Are we ready? Yes. Somebody can open the box.
Drum roll, please.
I don't want to open the box.
I hear the drum.
You have to take it out.
Okay.
After 3, 1, 2. Wait. Somebody want to tap us.
One, 2, 3. Yo. Gucci.
You put boy or girl?
Girl, we put.
Boy, we put.
I'm so excited, but I'm so sad. They give me the mixed feelings. Yo, Taban. Brian, have a boy first. Cardo, have a boy first. Shani, I say you have a boy first. Brian have a boy first. Me have a boy first. Cardo have a boy first. It's a prank.
No, that's a final.
No, man.
It's a boy.
It's a prank. Come on. It's a prank. Conspiracy. It's a conspiracy, I tell you.
It's a boy.
Do it two overs.
It's a boy.
They rigged the ballots.
The pink and white was one thing because everybody else see the pink and white coming in. They kill this other, but it's a boy. As it here, it's a boy.
They rigged the ballots. Both over. Better look what? What? Whoa. Better look next time. So we say, the nose says a boy. Yeah, we say. Obvious, yeah.
I never go with what expected.
It's a prank, guys. Trust me. Yo, look out for the prank on the next episode of Pregnancy. It's a prank, guys. Trust me. We'll reveal the real news tomorrow. Come on.